wrestler who's shown today that even in the most dangerous of positions, he can power his way out. I've seen him in a cradle position, power his way out. I've seen him almost get pinned and just stand up as if it was next to nothing. He's up against Jumashbek. Kuzinov being put on the shot clock. Does not score in the next 30 seconds. A point for the Kyrgyz wrestler. Jumashbek doing a good job of, he's got that right side tie, and the left hand always controls the wrist. Whether it be left or right sides, inside tie and wrist control, very basic stuff, but very effective in stopping any attacks coming your way. Zero, and so far in this first round, not so much action as what we'd expect, but as we've seen in these earlier matches, really these wrestlers save it for the second round. The last 90 seconds, you really start going for it and trying to increase that lead. First 3 minutes done and dusted.
Freestyle 65 kilograms weight category. From the red corner on the mat B, we have Kyrgyzstan, Tayырbek Jumashbek Уулу. From the corner, UWW Jambulat Kuzinov.
Again, Kuzinov being warned for being the passive wrestler. I think it's got a lot to do with that inside tie and wrist control from Jumashbek. Does a really good job of just blocking the onslaught coming forward, and might not be a lot, but really making his opponent look passive, making him look a little bit flustered. And it's a really nice shot there from Kuzinov, but Jumashbek with a beautiful reversal takes him over the top for the two. Not only that, but he'll get the point for the shot clock going down as well. So 4-0 for him. Very, very impressive indeed from the young Kyrgyz wrestler. Towards the edge with that underhook now. Got one underhook in, then drive the second one in as well. Because, you know, just managing to just get his arms out and circle back into the center. And it must be from Kuzinov's point of view, very disheartening when you get a really good shot like that. You shoot in, you do all the hard work, you get the leg, and then Jumashbek with a little bit of creativity just drops in over. A nice arm drag attempt. Drops him over and gets that 2. If you're the attacking wrestler, then you start asking yourself, what do I have to do to put some points on the board? And he's defended my best shot so far. Took under attempt there from Kuzino. 30 seconds left. Let's see what the man from Team UWW can do. He can muster up a little bit of magic, a little bit of creativity. Every movement he does, Jumashbek just meets him each time. Blocks him really well, needs to be careful not to get thrown there in that position. And a very nice body lock and turn from Jumashbek, and that'll be at 6-0 in this gold medal match. And if I have to say, the perfect performance, it really is very close to one. Tayырbek Jumashbek win away victorious, gold medal winner at 65 kilos.